Assalamu alaikum. Ngal konton dro ko la nalena ka jadu mandem. Bari nga na singom fay folo. Ko singom ko ngo tenkundi folo. Yemi from my singom. Ngana ci ngomo da bonde je okay. All right. Facebook is telling me that you are live. We are building an audience for you, but I want to wait for the first person to be on the listening watch. Then I'm gonna continue. I have not seen anyone yet. We are still spreading the word that you are okay. Bamba Mas is the first guy to be in audience. Bamba, thank you. Welcome. Ngela Fonko Jibelela, you're welcoming in Jara East. I saw it. But in Beko after no Kofo. It was very nice. Anyway, not quickly, Purka, right. The dispute and the blame game going on now. Remember, Kering, you sabo and blame game. It is so broad, Bamba Sermas. Thank you, yes. Blame game ning nyo sabo membe Kering. Lafta kadu mandingu fo. Kadu nyo sabo kata dawadan modul ronda dole correct. There will be never a time mole nyo saba ibe right. Hani umansuru. Adu mbimbe example talajang hani kabirin anne be mola wato. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tama arkono karam bare mobe ngibe kan sain ikabe Muhammad lamen kasama. Wa arkono karam na safon walen ndaman karanta danta ABCD bare ngalon kan prophet la time aka sabul ngi ka fay na kumen na proposal of fay kumen ye momoy la idea fo. Most of the time aka fay ko Umar yemen fo Umar alinga wala na kewnyama wala itan ko woto nyo sabo kata dawdan at least mole better on the right track. So it is going to be hypocritical pour mole be nyo sabola hani bi mafuro jumala who is right who is wrong. Lafta nga mole nka jande nyo sabo be kering e ka mo sabala to moy nyo sabo nyime mbeka kuma mo sabala to kafu ni tata Facebook live lambang radio to lambang. People are blaming three people. Yin three people mo jumalati modul beje they are blaming Halifa Sallah. Modul beje they are blaming Lawyer Dabo. Modul beje they are blaming OJ. So sign nin atra tonya mbola tamandla. Thank you very much Mr. Gasama. Dunia dawda nimmole nyo sabo soto dole correct. Sambe gambe be nginen kala. Nyindi amon be kadi nyo sabo be who is wrong? Silam be tonya lo nyadle mbakala carte fay malam bang comme nimmoje mako ina ronta wala ronta bang mbak. Which method are we going to use to ascertain the truth? Kalon ko tonya ni nyo sabo karle ma keku jumala mu kati ni tata dawdan dole ba fule ko Usain Dabo ten dole ba fule Lawyer Dabo ten sorry Lawyer Dabo dole ba fule ko OJ ten dole ba fule ko Halifa Sallah. Now who is wrong and who is right? At the end of the day there must be somebody who is wrong, there must be somebody who is right. Konga fanya min prophet la time ni saibo le nyo sabay saibo jama most of the time ako prophet ka fo Umar men fo sedna Umar taala correct fo we no prophet dole men ke muslimati bang hani ali le mo jande prophet le nyo saba kila na kite kunda ko Umar men fo ta correct. Yes, hey alinga tonya fo onga wuli yafo nyo sabo mo la correct mo dole man correct tonya mbola fo nyo mbe tonya lo na jumala correct na lafta dum nga méthode do is comme nga ka comme mo gel la ko ñun dole wala rayta ni menta sé nga jula abi fo mbolo kala bang or are we going to a courtroom to ascertain the facts mbolo kala bang kila de saybo ni sabi abe kasama fala be ngibe kan wala karanta ntaman fankara ko ando hani abata sa ndama long. If this will make somebody happy ntaman fellon feren bari kila saybo la ka falen Allah ne fono kada mo be mira ni nata nyindo atafu aliwi atafu nyindo atafu akoy ngo alibi atafu ko akoy Umar ta alinga ta lolo correct. Why? So saying nintu lek alfa be nyo sabola fale malon ko sedna Umar nyo sabanya men ko Umar ta correct nanyi mo fram dol ta correct to nya fele bon ni to nya to don do la correct do ronta say men correct ala fa mariet le correct men ronta nga fight le ronta. Let us do this. Ibe man correct model ronta bari sometimes na hadamadiya naso kama ikaje la fumola so much that hana marie ku ke men man correct ibe lala kam because il after don kaje ko ay men fola tamata ube kake wato do be sa de franco imam mo like drong ala kumam bunyama o kamala hana ku ken do ke ita fola bar budun sign kalun la nyimo men benyato ten nge gibe nyaw tenen saybol lala bawo saybol la argena ta ala fola ko kata argena bar nanyi molu usen ngel wo oje ngel wo ali fengelo ala ma fay ko nala fata bita argena bar saybol la fole na kala kata argena straight so goto ni ala nyakoto walla sutata alala dan usen daboti dan ojeti dan halifati so sign ning prophet muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam kalwa ka fa kudu ngalbla men na pour mbe mera fonen fono kata mbe na nga gibe mbe tamala bara jumalla most of the time aka fa umare men fonga tawala so sign ning wayo fono woli what is wrong with us to tell oje dabo and halifa ka fa hey ali ni mo sabo karle be right kam ali nga gibe yinde malan ko de model ronta de somebody is wrong, somebody is right. Okay, you don't double for that when you lie. You don't mean that when you lie. For that, what do you mean by when you lie? What do you mean when I'm saying that you lie? Tell me, what am I lying about? Are you the one lying or I'm the one lying? Double for day. If your real name is for the double, I doubt it. You lie. What do you mean that I'm lying? Anyway. For the double, I'm lying. Okay, thank you. You are not lying. Maybe you don't know what you are saying. If you don't understand, follow me to call. Nimole nyo saba dawda mo correcta. Nko to say men correcta nga fo Maria correcta. Ita ka fonde you lie. Ibe ning jabi jang you are going to distract me even distract from my main topic. It's not you, Barry. Okay, it's not me. Thank you. Because I'm not reading. Okay, thank you. Sorry, Dabo, for the may understand. Okay, Halifa Salah is correct. Okay, so Ali Baba Sila Halifa Salah is correct. So Yindoko, no, he is referring to Nyima. Okay, Yindoko. All right. So that's what I'm quoting coming for them. So sign. In finding out who is wrong and right, I'm afraid that I may see what is the topic today. Okay, the topic today is wide, Mr. Cham. But now start to call the dispute and fungoning blame game. Well, I'm not first topic. I have more topics to discuss. But the first one is the dispute and the blame game. Come more than you blame come. Some are blaming Halifa, some are blaming Usienu. Some are blaming OJ. Nko, nim mo saba inyo saba mo tan na mo nan nambang killing the writer. So sign, who is the right one here? Ablagar, thank you for watching. Men writer, Jumal ronda, because ibe man right. For me malala ilabang ka for men writer bang mbola kala bang. Or are we going to do our judgment according to the way ngelak nyambang coming nite you have a choice of candidate. Mole be kono like momo molo so melan ko dal. Whatever you want to just to appease somebody, even if the person is not right. That's what I want to know. Comme example, Prophet time Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, aka saibolo aka feko aka kumo nyale koto ka gibe ya gibe nyana kolta mon la nyami. But most of the time ni be la mirofo. Nyindo ko ngaketen saibol de. Already it's clear to them that they are going to heaven. But most of the time, akafeko omari men said na omari men follow correct alin okay. So light and ko ntola nyi oje ngelo na usen daba ngelo kata halifa ngelo mo ibet right nola ni nyo sabadron do right. So men right alin ofo. Okay. This is not a blame game but a new struggle against the Quraysh tribe of the Gambia. Good luck to them. Thank you. This is it. Akuma Netabakal is very, very sorrowful amanata baka so wala nakata float nakata flanjam. Some people are saying that Yajame is laughing at us. Yajame has no cause to laugh. Yajame jela kuto dalad left purko falie al si lonko coalition o nyo sabo umam folon tolla at laban nan tolla bar gambela bo nyama sans dolge yenna case sam gambela case yaka the worst case scenario ti dunia be kono. This is not true. Ndole men felte ntemen ka diamal tan we have gone to a lot of places ngaje diamol kete masakundal ten nyo sabo abeka bay hanini moka bu baklin faklin yakilo kono you may not tell him or her ala harjo frinditi aka nyaado be nyama ita feni ngala simurun kan ko keno ayita kala place to hadama dum be nya ala mo jande hadama dum na bot ina bot baklin faklin ala makamu do dila o aka ko do be ta londo do dila idam madama nin ala yi murun kan do keno idam ma adita la fara ko ni min mandam banan fala hadama no ko kala hasidia na de datle hadama dum sunde monen hasidia na datle we cannot do anything about it hadama dum aka fona floji be kamun moy e ka fo human relation ko self first order first self last comme ni be claro kala order first self last nka fo very nice to talk about but who is practicing it hadama dum be two across the board a fon kunkulo first then another person but niafo isimo mo no tenen ndaka mo le mire ngam fo mira abe wuliya hadama dum ka folo kumola mira janabe modo mira la hadama dum be two ifon first then second modo hadama no mo nyama neda no dum ka bula poso na ka mo aka kudo banda ka moso men tuta poso wala siata men babulu. Nobody is Prophet Muhammad here. Yes. Right now I cannot read it fonkolo Allah comments on there be read no la so ni men menta read no kana muta kula mari there is no time to read but maybe later I'll read them. Hadama dum ning hasidiya natla ate bono la sondo mokono ini moka bakalin fakalin ni ko he ila broda ay bay bakale kamfa ila broda o ila sister dise monon fa de ko he your sister is very very beautiful ila kilo ko ne kamfa straight la ba camera fang I jawo e ko la nyata hadama no bo nyamata ini membo da bakalin fakale ko your sister is very very beautiful, your brother is very very handsome ya kamfa iko why not you buna le meta tafo aduna bo da bakalin fakalin fara ko melan ko political al bendi we have a problem adu wala ba problem on solve la kata problem dol ala problem on solve nye men tambita nyon dola adu do not make a mistake nyimma sekunda flonte compare no fang one katu nyimma sekunda kuto men nataten ay nim kula nata ko melan ko sangi mo nim fla masot no adu mamere ko mbasot la wala ent follow ibe diamo le bike ko majibe sa fela gambia ni be diamo le bike ko majibe abarka misa gasama la men gasama gambia ni be diamo le sa bike ko majibe no soto number 2 where are the junglers aman soto say moto yeman hanibi ngani mas I'm trying to make comparison nyim ya jëm na masakunda do du ka ngal dane ñun lañu ñoo sabo Halifa versus Hussein versus tanke tondi fang Halifa Hussein an oje o karantina mo kemira fang foka foko nyim masakunda do ni ndo man kilim fang wala ñoo sabo kana is everything naturally has its own time natural course abekal natural course leta abidan na fatata dandulata abidan na ima ya jeme biral ma sekunda afatata bandulata abanda pam ñu lañu ñoo sabo menaten within themselves fo aka findi banda ngadi ndulle ka findi banda bawo hadama dimo ñu be mu keba mu kala folati ibe mu solle bebulu friends solle bebulu intimate ones ini men nakita ñola kumo ka findi labam fon tol damal fon ma fatan dem ndul ka fatan de je baro hani bi o mantin nga men alayen semaine ay solale ayaje me bondige yaje me ka kula ka melan ko mo man la fola melan ko kamul fa sain nga president su melan ko ate mo fala woto ko etle fer nga president su mesudo melan ka sonda ko nobody will rule Gambia more than 2 times sonko banda so da mada mantin nako we cannot make comparison between the two government ka fele nyo sabaten iman keten tenen that should not tantamount pour ka foko nyimma sekunda no please akata nyawnya nyimma sekunda kuto itani yaji metalala iman kilim fang. One reason I can give is mofa balia kat mofa ni ade bi ngale mumena mofa wotu lola kanyima sekunda flo ate kompela fang nie koro si fine nka bi koro si fama e ko kanyima sekunda flo la ba fle ha aba fle amene nyamama nyimma sekunda o mante dingo fa o ma sekunda lon dingo fa so du kare halifa sala nin oje nin dabo wala di comme al mulko iko kanyo sabale yolo fo malam who is who jumala ka juma saba tanenten bari ngala hanata ka nyo sabale ka nyo nem fang hanibi ilaw nyo non tan na moy fa ilaw nyo non tan na moy yeman ilaw nyo non tan na muman ibika diamu ika diamu ko koma jibe so to mi masekunda membe geten to nya is far more better than yaje na masekunda. This is what I have to read your comment. And you can recall when we saved your forefathers from the people of Pharaoh, who afflicted you with the worst torment, slaughtering your newborn sons and keeping your females alive. And okay, so thank you. I could not read all of these things because I have to press C more through so that the other part of your message could come. But now I understand it. So this is Tonya. Nyimma sekunda flow fendantan drobol taldron you just employ few things wrong here they ko tonya they are not comparison you cannot even compare them it a compare no Suratul Baqarah yes verse 49 thank you tonya Suratul Baqarah the cow the cow soro me the cows okay so abolo nyama mol si ñu understand ko ñu le ñoo saba ñaw wotantina fo nka jigala tay nka fo ya jame fon wala ma sekunda be ndol tanyato wo statement on in my opinion te fe mon correct kat ya jame fil number 1 bira ba gambe wato mo be katano gambes mo be katano bar sain ni ya mem man tadron mem man tano sain kufula amari be kodol kafun kafu nyama bulo man siko do mo flo ba ko du man dia wasikeno wa bal tala o amari ku jolo ka gambe melanko ya jame koma nata da gedron abe silari e kanta enquête wala be amari balla tala maybe so ni monte gambe mo be dam de sang ifrita kataje istano provided that you can transport yourself but ya dem time mo be tano gambia sang ala bonim bitema mo jamal tara gambia da so da madam am kayrol woda mindina fang itini ma sekunda flo compiano yes. This is one of the things I want to say. Modo na jamata bi amari ay kuma kende balafo amari maybe abella mo kanjane right now na meti diamola Facebook live sorry Facebook Messenger ay kuma fo nya kunye ko atafana mu diamulalti aka diamule lalto akunye alinga katan tulmen ka diamu na try Gambia nyin trabalism komen ka fo nga mol dane nga mol nane ngi yaklo elemandi ngi kawandi pour tribalism ko akana ke problem tin kono even though fenemo akata it exists in the minds but we want to keep quiet on it malav ka findine kaytandi so kamala nga abe mabori nyame ngatu mabori moyo fo nyankay la kumo betata ila kumo betata ba ke memfo so kaytandi mon lako tribalism de number 1 ninte lota bi san ngin diamo menna nga sikilin kuma de Gambia nko sikara ka fanke nyaadile sikara atle munete atul kal fanke nyaadile ndele sonko mamande nim mo takita boyta ibika boydula jibe ka takidula jibe adum aka koleala comme inyon kewo inyon muso inyon adama dungo aylo ay kumo foye against you even as an individual. You have the mouth to answer ma jabi e dey iko but nga bolo gene nga jabi na be kanena ni me cheku na me ta kumo fala dron akumo be kala toñate ba ma jabi no wo kamalo kan na somda ni moy kumo fro mo ka wure ka jabi and the other thing is left them for mo le fona ko te ko min ko hani bi for example ndene etondi Honest Gambia Sidli na kuma be kuma to na afu bi nte ya moyi janni mina nga Sidli nga bula Sidli ka bulala I will try to call Sedley privately. Now, if I Sedley the bidder, ye men foten o men katen tefe amang correct. But butung democracy lamu atuda fambuli ya gibe nte forcer no ka foy ko ile opinion no a cancel. Ndo fono la barbutum Sedley ba appreciate la ñen ko man duma la ta diamu tan is nice lafta mbe mol dan la pour nga kul ko ñama ñi ñone mo amana fa soto ngakala ñonen ni mo ne nga gisoka bolé afana sinen ay ke ñono to back and forth amon correct pour inshallah ñama e tribalism si wala si fatam fonsote si le kayta ñola contre le fisa teti si le kayta ñola ko ntel nga kala ten amanke kuti melan ko kunte melan ko nyenna kake abe caring adunte I cannot stop it. No amount of influence I can use pour ka bendi mol bi ak lokono bari si ñim fa molako ni man la fi moy reaction I carry actionality I man la fi moy ke I react woto kana kuma ko melan ko niafo ita fa melan ko niya meta fa la karola ibe diamul la kana mol diamul do not put words into people's mouth. You cannot do things many lanko eka kumofo eka kulma melanko niya mare fananko niya keta fono dron ibe diamula yemul diamundi ni diamuto dron ya fo kari I is reacting to what I've said dukare ngal dani ko nga fanya men kabirin kunum nimmo diamuta akamen faman die ntebe be diamulten if you don't like what I'm saying before you go into insulting each other very easy. Off your gadget. Ekal ila listening device are off. Ekal la moy debentula. Ya off. We yente bondi ye simbon no ge fang imela listening device off. Isi fu no la moy la you can stop listening to me. Ila notification from that time is turn off so that anytime I come the Facebook will not notify you. It will notify la. Iba no katabe dahalan la koto it entla non sanso mala kotake. This is what you can do. I know Gambian Belen too. Almost all of us are wrong. Almost all of us are right. I do number of dictators near Conti Gambia. I see that someone in Bangkok. Dictator Siata. Momo atafe na men follow correct. Almost all of us. Mobile fia so Belen too. You cannot blame anyone here. Mbe Momo akamen for atafe all correct. Mobile fia so. Ya nyamala nyon kumo kafa ko mandin kota silence kan kota ke nde sonta ko 100% ko atla fa dala bara be moje ma bala hakilo kono nde ba fala sign men sonta ye somma men man som alain kumo diata mo doli bira fa diata kendeke ya jame has the capacity to say it. He was the head of state of the Gambia at that time asafono what more and more people now memorizing the toilet paper. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Cham. Ya jamala yin kuma men foten. Atram mo jamala kono bari ma fono because they don't have the they did not have the capacity to say it that time. But nimmo e kumofo adiata mo men e kalonne e kaje banga abe finde kan sign. Ka siegi be don ka fo si kare ata sila jam kotaka bawo sina na sita jel. I have to say this. So kumofo la. Mo ka kidi ni ko toninde ka fonte ame Gambian ni amwe mo mal dron hule bakono. Who is asking who whether you are a Gambian or Senegalese? You know you are a Gambian. But ibe Gambia e ka kanjuma fo ini fani ba ka kanjuma fo Fula, Yola, Mankani, Sarahule, Mandinka, Serer, Alkolofo. So what is wrong? Kafuko muine ntamunyi si Carlet. Nothing is wrong about that. Nde bankol mentam Africa. Eka ni ine kadu niko what is your name? Eka fe ten. Eka fe am this. Eka le tribe. Puri alon ko abota karomen. Eka fo. Week is normal. Woman tinna common lie. Thank you, Sarah O. Woman tinna woman was ye fisa nyot. So mulka fako ni ko tente ame Gambian. Ya moy mo mala drong fenne bakono. Muna nakafa me who ask you whether you are Gambian? Ni ngi ngai ko ikon to lamen ture. Iko are you wolof fana o mandinga ka no me ame Gambian. I'm not this thing. Now Jahid Abula, now don't talk to him. amari fenna ba kono is very very angry over something because otherwise what is wrong kafo mu arabolt what is wrong kafo ame Lebanese ame Quraysh tribe what is wrong kafo nta ame Susu there's nothing wrong about that but because of fenna be amari kono wala na kofo mol kan men fotan kafo ko e ko Usain Dabo for example mol kafo ko me Usain Dabo soronne tenenten Usain Dabo garate ko mol kana fo comme mol kana nyim fo ko Usain Dabo a katale mol kala mention fang mol kala fo comme nane modo me kunum fang fo kunum ko fang ako coalition no niage karto faye mola fo a phone call to WhatsApp messenger ako the reason why people voted for the coalition ako is because of Halifa Sallah mola nyim fo a fo mol bala mo ka be janjanding abem the audio share with me yalong momo nyama ma be kende aren tonya your thinking faculty is functioning well ibana ko kumo ngam tonyati but do you want to call attention of people kamol attention of kili kana kanyo sabola bang how can you call out Adama Barrow kafu Adama Barrow landa mole karto fe coalition yalo man correct why it's not correct in as much as you cannot call Adama Barrow therefore you cannot call Halifa kafu mo kili landa mole karto fe coalition yalo man correct but mo lafo afu mun kama based on what you name it why akofo favoritism if I want to use the simplest term well ye indole favor otherwise I'm going to use another term melango somebody will not want to hate so woman correct people are okay what you wrong mbira adia modo I want to help you to lembe no men kala moy tem media mola some of us whether it is true or not now it's like I favored on the statement favors you agree on that ekolota ni adio musobe nyemvula ko the reason why people voted for the coalition pour que man sekundati ye marloke ako Halifa lantina ala audio be mbul Facebook et tondi WhatsApp messenger ni men lafta la moy la fanya kinyana ngala moy yalo man correct that statement is wrong you are not qualified to call out one person ka fanyi mo kilo ko lanna mo le katro fanyi masekundai o man correct bara maria fo and some people like it because I mean for idea the Chloe yeah like so Gambia unfortunately for us mbe society sivala kono wala nanko bilem jemme be kering there must be somebody wrong there must be somebody right say alinga na outright ba ngajibe who is the wrong person nga fama retle ronta volume big brother akonna volume mbatu let me see whether the volume okay na volume as far as I'm concerned my volume here is at last point Budama, can you check your own volume please? Can you go to the left top corner of your phone and try to increase your volume maybe? But right now I have adjusted my volume and it's at the peak about last volume thing. So Malong, if other listeners are experiencing the same problem, yeah, respect started from our own selves. It is obligation upon every human being to protect the honor of others because that's their own honor. Okay, alright, Gasama. Thank you. So that's that. It's okay now, Burama. Thank you. Alinga gibe, who is wrong and who is right? Blame game theater. Mulibini bafala tenenten. Ni manketen every day, especially in the Gambian diaspora. Ale ay call na nyame fonsa jo nyama. Everything has to take its own course. Na la course banda ay bang. So nyinkana moji kala tendi. Fo e camera miral nyaado lo melanko is very very opposite honey ya jembe tatla that's the biggest price that's the biggest reward ala in somenna in 2017 kamu fala mansa bondin kono kamu sana mente mo fala no soro that alone ningo man kanya memfi hana dan tawto fang hana dan taw damal la fang kanyanda and number 2 du ka ngal dane man sama na ko I can the maximum I can serve is 2 terms sonko banta ninyi masekunda me nyafa try to use all your influence pour masekunda no mbina ilafta way kenyame yako nyamani if you can do it that's that because there is no other thing somebody can promise you most men fono aliye ko element ko masekunda mbege abe 2 terms de mala safla they all agree to that Uma Sekunda Mbote Jawroko no, they would have ruled 1 million years as far as their lifespan is concerned. Alnatake alamoke, I must Sekunda do not. So, Ning Yosabo caring, Yindoko Teng, constitutional funkol teng, Lua Kotene, Yinding Teninteng, Dolebelari Yundokan, because I be Bolanyam. Near the Nafu Funko, Moloka Fontamantra Patito, Uncomobe Patito, Nafu Menkama, let me repeat it. Molma understand. Yala ni konta patito. I'm not belonging to any party. Cool and dandy. Bari, left and molin kalamen sign. Ning ale malayako kinan san sebe la rebe sinola aye teketeka akwe wule. Ni nale nyimko ansa jandrong ibala na yem name mendina o name wala muna mot. Nani collection beka answer de. And this is the brightest example I can give. You are not supporting P. Doyce, Halifa, partly be two even party support. Alright, you all of. But say something that will not happen. In case an angel is sent to you. Akweko, anatu lamini kasamanoma in USA. Akwe lamin, ndem ala malako ala lenkina kunginenka, san ten Gambia. I partly be to for two. I mean partly del befo. Akwe niemen to for drombola kala president. Tonya fele alba na ko fofana le example di nono al nga wuli abula nga tonya fo iba fala straight be mo tofala be candidate tofala immediately that candidate wala yow men tofo bi malako nyala wala be ko kabir mundu wala na tonate dato. That is why the name comes to your mouth directly. Alengana nyoba tande way everybody in the final analysis mo be gemela ngo olumula candidate tonya ko duta nyawnya tonya fo kuke nyoye aduta nyawnya ni tonya fo akandina moka fa akasikamfa nyonya kala ngo ni tonya lafo sanni ko mo jumala bo sosola. Yes, sadaka bako big too much criticism from Gambian diaspora. I'm so shocked to hear all this untrue message to the media is baffling. All right, thank you. Nani ko mo jibe ngam fo jandro. So nani kumo mobeka nga fu mobeka jabi so wala nanko mobe you must be a sympathizer to one at least akata nyonya mo ka fu mta patito. It's very nice to talk say but ngani mem fala jabi dron sign mala God will never send an angel to you keginenka iko sign ite God is only waiting for your choice. Ako Halifa Sallah, Oji, Ahmad Ba, Mai Fati, Adama Barrow, Henry Gomez, Bolondim Bojang, ngam Asa Toure, mo 8. Ako nyim mo 8 okono. Ala ko Clinton fo sansan abolo kala president. Ala bal nawol to ngamem fo. Meni be ka diamu den. Ala be la choice mo lal. Ala tengi kan na choice la. Mbana choice la. Come sansan president man right now like there is no president now. Adama is not even the president. So nyim mo 8 o be 2. Yangi nganu ndenu. Mbana choice fo lal. I'll mention my choice. Ngo, this is very simple. So o choice ngi wala ben ngati lokono. Why are we saying that nta patito? You are Fantabergistan Padla, UDP, and have you ever seen me on UDP's platform talking? Honey? Mona majeje. Dumana nanje PDOI's a platform of media mola. Mona manje NCP ida. Bari mole be sonda ko ngani mem for them. My this judgment you have to let's put it into practice now. An angel is sent to you. Ikweko. Pick one candidate's name, and that candidate is going to be the president immediately. Iba mo to fala because alanko ala nkina do lebekala. Ali ba no wolto ko yara fam la min kasama atabe genala. Karbe genala. Yes? Alan kana nyinga don ha ke jaw turbe genala P2 ba ka fole Tunkara abe UDP le ba mas be UDP le nga dol tenkundi. We only out of the whole diaspora less than 20 people mole ko la foka be pati kare oto be ko to patito ndama la kola mbebe patito de weda ya fo ma fo bar mo be gi yakelo kono idam madam wala nga nakala nyaton kote. Anthony, thank you very much. Huh? Binet Bojanko, I'll say myself. No, Binet, yeah, what I mean is like, okay, like near in car, He made a Binet to mention the Binet. Thank you, Binet. Like young and more 8 candidates to Dila. 8 candidates in the Gambia. You will told Lekwego. Out of these 8 candidates, go. Nimwako Momo Fofana will be my case. Babakar, look, stop joking, man. Tell me the truth, Babakar. Albika Hanikafo. Say wonderful, I'm begging in color. Look, why Gambia no Galica case for? I don't know why. Alka Slamonala. Yaja mesh no more there. It's Motemutala. I like case for. I want to prove to people that Momo Pati Bebu Leklokono. Men uncle Tonatonia deep in you, naturally, you will sympathize. That's what I mean by saying, Momo Pati. I was talking to Shedley today. Ni Shedley Bedanga, Shedley Pati Malakata Patito. But Shedley Nibella left in Kala sign. An angel is sent to you, purportedly. Malakona Lakweko. Shedley, Akweko, here is a list of 8 candidates in the Gambia. Akwe Hussein Dabo, Ahmad Ba, Mai Fati, Asa Toure, Borondim Bojang, Henry Gomez, Oje Diallo, Halifa Sallah. Akwe sanyi mo 8 okono. Alako, ala nte malako len kinande. Akwe clean tofo. Mbola kala president sign. Billahi. Diaspora be two. Mo bebe choice lala. Left off, Allah for you lot of 4. Ibafla, because you cannot tell the angel, no, I have no choice. Okay. Wonderful, what about you? Wonderful, wonderful, when Shedley is PWIS. But wonderful, where are you? Ami Salang. I'm UDP. Thank you, Ami. Nkala finye sifa lala. Adun this answer, Ami Yemenketen. Mobile answer soto. Yaje, fa keba ya UDP. Madama Daba ko UDP. You know? So, why am I going for Cavanta Patito? This is the truth. Ngo e something and kidding alam. Yes? If there was not president in the president Mansour Gambia Fereng no. Sansan coming be 0 null. Swedish null right now. You're going to pick out 1 out of that 8. I'm going to tell you. I would pick Dabo. Nathan Numbi, President Mantra Keren Numbi. Mbe Dabo la pick la. Yes. Or UDP or UDP kilo or UDP. That means mbe Adamala want to sign because UDP party I momolo ne drong mbe wolto nimala ko inen gamba fla ko na inen ka come as party akonye okay UDP momo todi but not on want to come abe sambe 0 ground 0 I would have picked Dabo adu near nyim presam be sirim bi inen kanu come atafuna malako na ta kono nyamonu ndennu abe Dabo pick la. No doubt about that. So ngal dane dukare ko ñing fenk ñing bojang konton ben fotem ay tonya fanya ala candidate fond abolo ñama I will vote for you Binet. All right. Imagine Baba Silla, thank you very much Baba Silla. I like that. Ako am PDOIS. Baba Silla, thank you for telling the truth. Ntakala fo mo sifal. Yes. Sirib Mustafa Deba, I'm UDP. Isfasi I'm UDP. What is wrong in this? Simple nga jela nyokan we carry Mary Gor nga diamu nga imagine Ibrahim Tungu akonya GMC. Namo ndoti. Imagine Ibrahim Tungu akonya atabe GMC le. My father pataka bol tala that out of the 8. You know? This is it. But nemo lenka ibe fondu nga ngamo ha ndamanta patito. Hey. Saying I'm going to ask Seku Yusufa Cham. Adun Yusufa. Don't lie to me, oh. Because if you lie to me, I'm coming for you. Sign which party? I'm left. Man left more than answer. An angel ask you, sent by Almighty Allah, that you have to choose 1 out of the 8 candidates I mentioned. Whom are you going to pick? I'm waiting for answer. Musa Kamarako NRP. Good. Ahmad Ba. Abolto. But Nima Bari Atako GDC. Okay, sorry, Mela Patito mentioned. Nima Bari, sorry, I was not fair on that. Nima Bari La Patito for that means it should be 9. Okay, so Nima Bari, yes. Because I should mention the 9th one, that is is it GDC, yes. So Nima Bari Kabe GDC. Very good. Isfa, honey. Isfa, no. Isfa, you are not answering. I'm with the major fee. What do you mean by with the major fee? So, Yusuf, tell me the truth. Please, I'm an angel now sent to you. Tell me the truth. because I'm reporting to Almighty Allah the next 2 hours. For example, now tell me the truth. Who is your candidate? Don't tell me I'm with the majority. No, moto fanye. Kwenye Nyimabari was very plain. Afo akabe generale Mama Kande, very good. So ninga kuwa kwenye mga tonya afo. Yina tonya 40. Imagine Binet Bojambe GDC. Binet, imagine. This is it. You know, Osman Sonko abe GMC forever. My leader. Yes, that's that. So this is it. Imagine now. That means if this was a real election now, I have already counted the votes. So the winner, I know the winner already, because already from this platform here, the majority was with. I don't need to mention it. So I won this election now tonight. So the angel is now going with my good result, because I can see that UDP here. I'm just trying to make people happy. Like, this is the part of the entertainment part of my conversation. From let's laugh, and we are too serious. Let us not be too much serious about this. Sometimes all that killing at the end of the day, we are all Gambian, we are all human beings. That's that. So if I say by this platform here, the winner supposed to be UDP, because let's shatter. UDP let's shatter. So but that's that. So gentlemen, I think my last topic would be what? My last topic now. All right. All right. Okay. I think this Hussein Dabo thing, Halifa Salah and Oje left in my opinion. Okay, Yusfa Cham ko APRC. Yusfa, no mantra APRC ta fana way. Yusfa not for Yusfa mampare ka tonya fanya because APRC. Ita auto. Nde wolo ne mantra APRC. All right. Left mol dan la menna. Halifa Al-Fala Mati, Hussein Dam Al-Falti, Ojem Al-Falati. Let us not insult them. Now, dan back, in as much as we want to dispute, we want to castigate them. I prefer calling them private line kadiamwe nicely than to be castigating them on air. You may do it in the spirit of so-called democracy. Kava democracy lenten ika modlu mo ifa kava fama ninge na katonya fala mbavla wo insult balti kava ngulufa if I should tell him the fact, I should tell him the fact. I'm correct. So lafta ngalo fo moli ali nga do me fe, they are not our enemies. Adum opponent and enemy, like they are say we near more treat anyama drong abegela ko enemy. Comme amari fem for don ka is not true. Abe futla stake do nenga la capacity tambeta drong is going to tantamount to enmity. So abola nyama. We all know the difference between ijawo ani ika moment challenge comme ika moment jalay. Kamo jalay anen kam mo jawo ya fem for ya stop outright. Woman correct. Waste too much. So basing like loto ngado mando ma nyofe drong. Everybody is wrong, everybody is right. Nta jolo nyama, this is what I have for you. So alsalo nyama normally before we come on air. Abolo nyama. But tonya ni la moy kumo menka fo yemen to koma mol ko la moy. Ni dia mo ka drong ite kumo men to koma. People listen to that more than yemen fo mol ya moy. Na kata bakin ka tonya fo nyoy tonya even in private cases. Tonya ni af moy dala ka diala tonya diata. Nsa jibe o nyama. Yo sometimes eka modo je kodo ba makeno nyimma sekunda marlo te fun belno la. So mul ba kata ke gam bakale ni fem moy dron eka mol kil dum la ka fa ngagnin ko kar moy de isa mari kumandi nte fon sansa mbete mbondo. I'm about to call somebody menan ko namari be kajala nta fola Facebook live ten mba kuman la privately na kaja wala fisata mari bol appreciate la aduna kumando ngala sonda abe falendro kala ala miralo to koto nimbe ko nyama bari ko kudron param ngana ngalo public nka funyo ko fonko mala nyadi accountability de mala nyadi transparency hanide ibe ko kutam fanna batata ge ni ko wote fon la batata ge mo tege mel lafta ka disgrace hada madum tekker fula foro dingo foro fula dingo iba foro fa foro malo mo la fala so woto jannim be nyomalum la online ye kuma moy melanko masakunda kolam masakunda molam amari clear fa ngamoy tenenten ina fa sa fay ten e kay ka kuma bi janjan kanade jena ba foto la do to lafte address amari ba foto thank you very much but mam pare ko sometimes especially when it is something about somebody melanko naturally ala commandie modul be problem sur le naturally modul be nim modul le problem sur long time ago hadama di yakono comme mo la koy don hani annabila yusuf ana fadi ngol man la fala o kamara foya nyoro kolon kono pour fa adu be bada faklin hadama dum ngol keno faraka ne dem ani memman dem fala ibenta political kono pour mo sil lonko hani bi mo la ko ka nyo dimino le o ba hadama di yalate mo la ko man di anyode mo la ko ka nyo kam fala isi mo jala ko ala ko ke dimi naturally man ko kela ko annabila yusuf ana fadi manyolu ala ko ke kamfa to the extent that ya nyori kolon kono pour fa woli o keno dem hadama don le mud waye ito keno def fofu na melanko political ni si nyoma ngajin kuma mfanga kuma mfuda salama akilo baka mo la ko si nyo kamfa no le ila commande ya nyoy openly isi mo be moy everybody is a white angel mo be white angel malaka ko fer non te tenenten kuma kendo be nte manganyan nte man tenenten nte be mo fengere nte alen suma nan ko muta nte be tenenten hadama don te manketen kuma kendo be tout the mouth that praises is the same mouth that condemns kuma kendo sa be su dan dim fonla ha blank fault finders thank you Sarah kuma kendo be sa su dan dim fonla nte manketen tenenten but deep in us dalaka sosoro ka bar hakilo wuli be kanklin woto mbetembo do san who is wrong men ronta alinga fubang nan lafta ngaka akarte fayma that means mojama ko men ronta oloronta ningo fana gambalo na still na bawo killing naten who am I to say Karl Makeku ninta da mafu maybe it's going to be bias but sign alinga jibe mojama ngalla moy mojama ko juma ronta oloronta ali o control ka bang imira diam dalbe to all the talking points mojama même blame wala ngana blame la. This is my own philosophy here, but if it is wrong, if there is any other better philosophy, bring it forward, no use. If that can suffice. This is my take. Konga fanyamen wrong, I'll repeat. Kila sallallahu alayhi wa sallam ala wato, saibula ka kumo faya kwe alanga nyunku ngaketen. Ibe la fano ke akwe ngamen fala ala kunga kenyadle. Ni be tafo tu. Most of the time, ala baba lingine ngawale ala kono karanta makarang. Akafe ko, Sedna Umar mem alinga otamandol ta correct. Does that mean ko order saibolu ole mu kafiro la tabang? Order kaf fongolu saibolu fawulo la mutu bang? Hani barako Umar la idea akola kumo tonyandi most of the time. Wotonko Halifa o dabo ojewo jumala raita jumala ronda men raita alinga otabang san kite felan ngabula la bulu ndema hakilo soto ndam very very stupid ndebe miracle aklu men ke miracle tonya alinga di tonya tela nga wuliya di wuliya tela même ma keku ningo wuliya jambe wala to put in a civilized time wala même boyta nga fo etle boyta même mamboy nga fo etle mamboy alinga ka bang nga daha otherwise not lafta we can use this system also mojama ko même boyta otolo boyta ha mojama ko même boyta otolo boyta salinga konti right now if I want to conduct something here right now ninko jumala boyta na battle na flat lanka na fangle but right now if I do my own examination here nko jumala boyta al ikamol to mention ni me keku drong san I may have 100 iko Mr. Ele boyta 10 ko Mr. Bile boyta 5 ko Mr. Sile boyta so and this is not going to be conclusive examination pour ka determine jumala boyta wala nanko ni mo la ñu sabada wadan drong do la kata tonya kan do e boy so même boyta imagine hardcore boy ko oje what do you mean wala boy tabam follow right because okay nyindo ko dabo he is on the right dole ofo nyindo ko oje malan so I mean you have to tell me whether right or wrong so that I know anyway and let me just tell you I'm trying to make fun here this is funny to be talking like this so that I'm nobody to say who is right or who is wrong so but konka fala nyamen wrong the only method we can use is nyindo ko Halifa is green man dole ofo Sir Musa Wadiba so that's that So gentlemen, thank you and ladies, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate all what you have done. Like Alikalla Watobula, imagine Yindoko OJ is wrong. Imagine this is it. So Yindoko Alifa is wrong. So you can see now Yindoko OJ is at fault. So you can see this is a couple of people that are bringing these type of things. You can never use 5 people, 4 people, 3 people cannot come. Ibe argued wrong. Only 5 people. But where you have at least, if you engage 1,000 people and 800 kweko, you know writer, or writer, 200 kwendoma right. Gela at least all officer than 4 people or 5 people to make judgment. We are going to treat each other very nicely. Nobody is stupid here. Imagine Doko Halifa Saleh is excellent. Very good. Ndoton di Palanture Diouf. Walamu. Imagine Ndolofo. Doko ten so Ndoko Halifa is wrong. Immediately, Ndoko Halifa is that Doko Halifa is wrong. So, Hanatra we go on referendum. For example, I'm just talking out of this. What a killer. You could right, Juman Ronta. Killing never win as right person. Don't be wrong. So Allah Baraka Bake, I'm going to end the video here. Until I come here again. Thank you very much. Allah Baraka for watching and sharing this video for those of you who can. That's all. This is my opinion. It will go down well with other people. Some people know. Walter accept la. Walter like la. But I'm nobody to say things. Melancholy is the gospel truth. Want and nobody either will say things melancholy for wrong or correct. That's that. Allah Baraka. Thank you.